Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create AVD, which stands for Android Virtual Device. In order to create AVD Manager, you simply click upon this icon and now click upon Create Virtual Device. As you may see here, there are a number of virtual devices, but here I'm going to choose Nexus 5 because it suits our requirement. You may choose what you want. Now I simply click upon clone device button and now it will clone a device for us. There are much option as you may see here. You may change the screen size, screen resolution, RAM, but here I'm not going to change anything, so I leave it as it is. Now I click finish, click next, and as you may see here, these are the API level. So the update API level is API 28, so I simply download it. As you may see here, it's downloading. It will take some time to download the API level. As you may see here, the downloading is finished. Now click upon finish. Now select the API level 28. Click next. Now you enter the AVD name. So I gave Cordis Grip. Now click finish. As you may see here, the device is created successfully, which is Cordis Grip. In order to start the AVD emulator, now simply click upon this play option, which will run our emulator. When you launch the AVD emulator, it will take some time. As you may see here, the emulator is starting now. Now you may see the device has been started, and this emulator behave as a normal device, as a new mobile application. As you may see here, there are a number of applications such as calculator, calendar, camera, Chrome browser, clock, and so on. Moreover, you can use internet in this emulator. So let's see an example. So simply open the Chrome browser, accept and continue. Next, no thanks. Now search something here. So as I enter my website name coderscript.com. Now hit the enter. So you may see this is website. So you may see here that we can access anything what you can search in normal device too. So let's search another website like facebook.com. So it will take us onto the Facebook page where we can sign in our Facebook. So let's close it. The purpose to create Android virtual device is to test your own Android application in order to run in this emulator. So you may run any application what you will create in the Android Studio, and you may test your application here. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you.